UP by-poll voting is underway. Now viewers, let's shift our focus to the other developments that we are tracking. And amid an alarming rise in the pollution levels in the national capital, where Delhi breathes poison, the Aam Aadmi Party government has directed 50% of its employees to work from home. In the prevailing situation, Delhi Environment Minister Gopal Rai has stated to reduce the pollution, the Delhi government has decided to implement work from home in government offices. Let us now listen to that official announcement.
देखिए, अभी पिछले 2 दिनों की तुलना में अगर देखें तो दिल्ली के QI में थोड़ी गिरावट दर्ज की जा रही है और हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि इसमें आगे भी और धीरे धीरे सुधार जो है वो देखने को मिलेगा। लेकिन दिल्ली सरकार के तरफ से हमारी कोशिश ये है कि कैसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा दिल्ली के प्रदूषण के स्तर को कम किया जाए। उसके लिए बहुत सारे कदम सरकार उठा रही है। उसी कड़ी में वर्क फ्रॉम होम 50% करने का निर्णय लिया गया है। दिल्ली सरकार के जो विभाग हैं, जो एसेंशियल सर्विस देते हैं, उनको छोड़ करके बाकी विभागों में जो है ये वर्क फ्रॉम होम के लिए निर्देश दिया गया है। 1 बजे अभी हमने बैठक बुलाई है और उसमें इसको और डिटेल में कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट किया जाए, जिससे कि जो इमरजेंसी सर्विसेज हैं, एसेंशियल सर्विसेज हैं, वो प्रभावित भी ना हो और लोगों को प्रदूषण से भी थोड़ी राहत मिले।
Now viewers, in fact, to give us a clarity of what's happening on the ground and how in fact the official announcement by the Delhi Environment Minister of ordering the employees for 50% to work from home is planning out. Arzu joins me live on the broadcast. Arzu, what is this in regarding to? Now in fact we have seen currently stage 4 of the GRAP is implemented in the national capital. The AQI is only marginally dipping as far as the current situation is concerned. But when we talk about these statements, are they in fact going to be of any use? Because these are some of the band-aid measures, but the problem at large of the national capital continues to in fact get worse every coming year.
Well, Simran, when we talk about the pollution, in a view of the rising pollution level in the national capital, now the Delhi government has decided that there will be a work from home for the Delhi government employees. Also, the government offices, 50% workforce will be doing work from home. If we talk about also when we talk about the pollution, vehicular pollution contribute a lot to the Delhi pollution, and that's why to improve the traffic congestion and to deal with it, this decision has been taken. Also in the coming days, if the condition remains the same, we will see odd even like earlier also, previous years also we have seen odd even being implemented in the national capital to combat with the congestion problems. So the one by one the government is taking initiative also. Earlier we have seen government offices timing has been changed, and now the decision has been taken to do work from home for those people. So after this, now this remains to be seen whether the government is also planning to bring or even in the national capital.
All right, Arzu.